Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your social studies book and open your page number 50. Today we are starting animals and their homes. Yasir and Anam have a pet. It is a dog. The dog's name is Spotty. Look at her. She is Anam and he is Yasir, and they both have a pet and its name is Spotty. Many people keep small animals or birds at home. They give them food and a home to live in. People love their pets. They play with them. We should look after our pets and care for them. Here are some pets. Look at here. These are the picture of parrots, a bird, a tortoise, a rabbit, cats, a dog. Some animals are too dangerous to keep as pets. Look at this, like a snake, a lion. Here we have some questions. Which animals make good pets like parrots, bird, cat, rabbit, and a dog? Which animals would not make good pets like a snake, a lion? How should people take care of their pets? People love their pets, they play with them, they feed their pets. Okay, wash your pets. Okay, now look at your page number 51. Animal's home. Yasir has seen a nest in a tree. He wants to look at the eggs in the nest. Animals, birds, and insects needs home too. The homes they live in have different names. So, look at this. This is a nest. This is a home of birds. A web. This is a home of spider. And what is this? This is a beehive. This is a home of honeybees. Here we have some questions. Have you seen a nest? Where? Yes, I have seen a nest in a tree. Have you seen a beehive? Where? Yes, I seen a beehive in a hive. Have you seen a spider's web? Where? Yes, I have seen a spider web on a wall. Now look at your page number 52. Draw a picture of a pet you have or would like to have. Complete the sentence about your pet below. It is your homework. My pet is a dash. My pet's name is dash. And here you draw a picture of your pet. Look at B part. What names would you give the animals and birds on page 50 if they were your pets? Like tortoise, cat, rabbit, pigeon, dog, parrot. Okay, you give them names. So it's also your homework. Look at C part. Match the animals, bird, and insect with their homes. Ants. Ants live in a hill. So match it like this. Bees. Bees live in a beehive. So you have to match it like this. Birds. Birds live in a nest. So match it. Snakes. Snakes live in a burrow. So you have to match it like this. Mice live in also in a burrow. So you have to match it like this. Now look at your page number 53. D part. These animals' homes are made by people. Find out what they are called. They are called kennel. Who lives there? This is a house of dog. Look at this. This is a loft. And hatch. This is a hatch. Rabbit lives here. Now do your work properly. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.